So guys, I'm at work. We just want to say thank you to Winston Brakes. He sent us something nice that Tasha hasn't seen yet. It says, the Johnson family, I know how difficult it must be for you guys at this time. I thought I'd like to light a candle for her on her dates. Much love and healing to you all. Matt Prentice, Winston Brakes, Los Angeles.
Oh, that's nice.
Look, it's got candle in it and everything. It's beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
That is real nice. Look at this. Beautiful. Winston Brakes, thank you so much, man. Really appreciate this gift, man. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's made us get when I see that, I just was overwhelmed, man. I just, you know, I almost broke down, man. And I'll just say thank you very much for that, mate. It's nice. I didn't know what it was. I was totally unexpected, man. And he's put the dates and everything. Thank you so much, mate. Really appreciate it. Look what they sent. Look, for Lily.
That's really nice.
That's so cool, isn't it? Yeah,
Who else did that?
That's good, isn't it?
Oh, it's lovely. Just shows the task people are thinking, man.
Yeah. Look at that.
Lovely. Nice little touch. That is cool, man.
Lily.
Look at the pool plates as well. Oh, that is a nice touch, man.
It's real nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that is really nice.
It's got a nice green sort of colour to it as well. Look.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Even Noodle likes it. She wants to know what's going on. Look at that, Alberto. For Lulu, look.
Oh, that's lovely, yeah.
Yeah.
One of your YouTube fans?
YouTube gang. Yeah. That's heavy, man.
That is really good.